Hello everybody. In this session, we will just discuss one more example. Okay. So let us read problem statement here. See what they have given in the problem. Verify following expression is tautology, contradiction or contingency or not. Okay. Or not. Okay. And this is a expression given here. Okay. So if this type of question comes, then you have to design a truth table for the given expression. This is given expression here. Okay. And how to design a truth table we have already discussed. Okay. So how many propositional variable they have given here? Two propositional variable. First one is P and second one is Q. Okay. So if two propositional variables are given, then how to design a truth table? See, first propositional variable is P, then second one is Q. Okay. Two variables are given, means for first variable we have to write 2 times true and then 2 times false. Okay. And for second variable you have to write alternate true, false, true and false. Okay. Now we have to design a truth table for this particular expression. Okay. So if you want to design a truth table for this particular expression, then we have to divide this particular expression into sub part. Okay. For example, let us first design truth table for negation P. Okay. Then we will design the truth table for P conditional Q. P conditional Q. Okay. So this negation P is a left side of this particular expression and P conditional Q is a right side of this particular expression. Okay. And then finally we have to take conditional of these two as well. Okay. So in the last column, how we have to write? See, left side, that is negation P, which is this column. Okay. And then right side conditional. Okay. And then right side is P conditional Q. Okay, means we have to take conditional of these two columns. Okay. Now how to design a truth table? See, negation P. What is your P? T, T, F, F. So negation P will become what? F, F, T and T. Okay. Now we have to find value for P conditional Q, this part. Okay. Now in case of conditional, we all know that if first input is true and second input is false, that is, this is P and this is Q. Okay. So if first input is true and second is false, then only output will be false. Otherwise, in all other cases, output will be true. Okay. So here T, T, T. Okay. F, T, again T. Okay. And F, F, again T. Okay. Now see, this is left side of this expression, this is right side of this particular expression. Now we have to take conditional of these two. Okay. So that result we have to write in this particular column. Okay. So conditional means, as I said earlier, if first input is true and second is false, then only false. Such combination is not present. See here, first true is present, but second is not false. So here we will not get false in this particular column. Okay. So FT, this particular column conditional, this second column, F conditional T will be always what? T. F conditional F, again T. T conditional T, again T. And finally T conditional T, again T. Okay. So this is what? This is our final result. Okay. Now if in the final result all values are true, then it is called as tautology. Okay. If in the final column all values are false, then that is called as contradiction. Okay. And if in the final column you get combinations of true and false, then it is called as contingency. Okay. Now I hope you are getting this point. So as far as this particular expression is concerning, this expression is what? Tautology, because in final result all are T. All are true. Okay. Now let us discuss one more example. Okay. So I am going to write next example. Okay, prove that, okay, they have given one expression, that is negation of, see in bracket they have given some expression, okay, that is they have given expression in this way, P or Q, okay, then and negation of P, okay, slightly complicated example, negation of P, and then conditional of Q, okay, conditional of Q, or instead of prove that, let us write verify, okay, let us write verify whether this particular expression is tautology, contradiction, or contingency, okay. Now see again, if this type of question comes, tautology, contradiction or contingency, just remember you have to design truth table for given expression, okay. So while designing truth table, what first thing that you have to identify is how many variables, propositional variables are there in the given expression. So P and Q, only two propositional variables are there. So we have to design a truth table for two propositional variable, okay. So if you want to design a truth table for two, then just like previous process, we have to write P and Q for first 2 times true and 2 times false, for second true, false, true and false, okay. Now again see, to make these things simple, you have to divide this expression into subpart, okay. So what we will do is, we will first try to identify truth value for this, then this, and then overall, okay. So let us first find truth value for P or Q, and then negation P, okay. So this is OR operator, okay. In case of OR, see, if you have not yet gone through our previous session, then please you just watch our previous video first, okay, because in our earlier videos we have already discussed how to design a truth table for every logical connectives, okay. So if you are dealing with OR, then in case of OR, when both input are false, at that time result will be false, otherwise result is true, okay. So true. So this is truth value for this one, okay. And then for negation P, we have to just reverse value of P. So here P is TTFF. So negation P will become what? FF, T and T, okay. Now see, here what we have done, let us give number for this column, okay. So let us make this column as column 1 and this column as column 2, okay. Now if we concentrate on this part, then see, here in between and is given, so left side we have already evaluated, right side also we just now evaluate, okay. So in between and is given means here now what we have to find, 1 and 2, right. So this is our 1 and this is 2, so that we will get entire value of this particular expression, okay. So we have to find and of these two column now. In case of and, what happen, when both are true, output is true, otherwise it is false. So both are true, here see, here both are true means here we'll get output as true, otherwise it is false, okay. Now see, now we have got truth value for this particular expression, okay. Now this entire let us give number for this column now. This is suppose column number 3, okay. So column number 3 represents what? Truth value of this expression, okay. So now we have to find truth value of what? This expression, that is column number 3, conditional Q, okay. So here what we have to find now? Column number 3, conditional this Q. Okay, and for this column let us give name as column number 4. Okay, so 3 means 3 is nothing but what? This is truth value of this expression, and conditional Q means this expression. Okay, so if we calculate the truth values of this column, then we will get truth value of this entire expression. Okay, so column number 3 is this one, and Q is mentioned here, conditional. Okay, so in case of conditional, when first is true and second is false, at that time output will be false. So here otherwise it is true. So 3 conditional Q, this column. So F conditional T, it is what? T. Okay, so F conditional F, again T. T conditional T, again T, and F conditional F, again T. Okay, so here now this column represents truth value of which part? Truth value of this entire part. Getting my point? Now finally what they have given? We have to take negation of this entire part. Okay, means we have to find what? Negation of column number 4. Okay, negation of column number 4 means we have to take negation of this column. So if you take negation of this column, we will get output as what? We will get output as F, 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 F. Okay, now according to this particular concept, in the last column, final result of this particular expression is, in the final result of this particular expression, all values are F. Okay, so this expression here is what? This is contradiction. Okay, in our earlier example, this expression was what? This expression was tautology. Okay, now if in the final column, here see, all true we have got, here all false we are getting. Okay, so if in the final column you get combination of true and false, then that is called as what? Then that is called as contingency. Okay, now I hope you are getting this particular point, what is tautology, then contradiction and contingency. Okay, so that's all for this session. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.